these are the routines. Now, like I said, you can have them running automatically. You can have Sam help you create the content. Sam can also learn about the contact that it's sending it to and customize the content. But here's the really cool part. And this is the part that I'm finishing right now before we launch it to you guys. This doesn't have to be run on a specific individual person. I could run this birthday experience on my entire contact database. Let's talk about those 1,000 leads. All 1,000 leads could have this run on them immediately because it's birth date. It's anytime one of them has the birth date filled out, it's going to get run on them, right? And each and every single one of them is going to have a custom experience to them. So I will have 1,000 different versions of that one email being sent out specific to that person receiving it. And it was all done by just outlining the single process right here. Boom, just like that.